Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can verify your Discord account in your mobile device. So first of all, launch your Discord application, get logged into your account, then tap on New section on your bottom right hand side. From here you will see a gear icon or settings icon on your top right. Tap onto it. Under account settings, select account. Now likewise, you will see email here just above phone number. If you would like to verify email, go ahead, tap on select email. If not, you can also go ahead and tap on phone number and type in your phone number. See, it says verify email immediately after I open my email. It says send verification code. So make sure that you have access to the email address. Select send verification code. Once you have pasted your verification code, select next and give any reason that you would like. And here you retype your email address. And after retyping your email address, it will ask you to enter your Discord password. For security purposes, you might not be able to see that screen of mine. So go ahead, repeat the same process, type in your password, and your email address will be changed. Thank you for watching.